What's going on, everybody? This is Andre Lewis from Start to Finish Podcasting, and today I'm testing two things. I'm testing my GoPro camera, and I'm also testing my Rode Wireless Go. Now, as far as the Rode Wireless Go, this is a wireless microphone. It comes in two pieces. You'll get a transmitter, which is what I have here, and you'll also get a receiver, which is on the GoPro camera, connected to the GoPro camera. And when I speak, this sends a message to the receiver, and that goes into the GoPro, and that's how the GoPro camera records me. This microphone is $199, and based on what I've seen and what I've done with it so far, I say it's well worth it. I haven't been, it's kind of an echo here because I'm under something, but I've used this a number of times so far, just like in the house, but I've never used it outside the house. So now I'm using it outside the house just to see how it is. So I'm hoping that this audio actually sounds good. It is a wireless microphone, so I'm sure that it will. And the good thing about this microphone is that if you don't have to be a podcaster to get this microphone. If you need it, let's just say if you're one who goes live every week or whatever, you go live on Facebook and you don't want the microphone in your face, or if you use the microphone on your computer, which is never really that good. If you use the microphone on your computer, you can definitely use this this wireless microphone, because the wireless microphone does connect to your computer through a 3/8 inch jack. Looks like you know how them Walkmans, you had the little thing you slip into the thing. It's like that. So that's how it connects. And once you put that part into the computer, you'll turn this on, turn the receiver on, and then you can start speaking. Real simple, real easy. Another good thing about this microphone, it allows you to move around. So I'm sitting here right now, and I'm just sitting here. I'm not moving. I'm not going anywhere. But I can get up and I can move. And I'll show you a demonstration. As a matter of fact, I'll do it right now. For as long as this transmitter and that receiver on the GoPro are in line with each other, nothing obstructs their signal to each other, you can go pretty far. Not like super far, but like 300 yards, 400 yards, probably more than that. So I'm gonna demonstrate that right now for you. So it's gonna sound a little echoey because I'm under a little roof here. So that's why you hear the echo. But as I move back more and get from under here, the audio won't sound so echoey. So right now, I am going to move back. I'm going to move back a little bit more. I'm under here. You can hear the echo, hear the clap. I'm going to move back just a little bit more. Okay, so you probably don't hear that echo anymore. I'm going to move back just a little bit more. I'm going to move back more. And you could probably hear me from here. I mean, it's a very... this wireless mic is awesome. You know, it carries a signal for so far. I can go back even further, and you will still hear me the same way that you hear me now. So when the signal is obstructed and there's something in front of it, and this wireless mic that's on me can't transmit to the receiver, it'll get choppy. So you'll hear probably hear some wind too. I forgot to put the wind thing on my mic, but it'll get choppy when the mic starts to get bad. So it'll sound something like this. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10. So it'll go in and out. So that's how you know if the microphone is not getting a signal. But from here, I'm sure it's getting a signal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move back a little bit. All right, so now I'm about, I would say about 40 yards away from the mic. I'm going to move back a little bit more. All right, so I'm moving back a little bit more, and now I'm about, I would say, I don't know, maybe 55 yards, 55 yards, maybe 60 yards away, I think. It could be more than that, but and you can still hear me, and that's the good thing about this wireless microphone. So if you're at your home and you're going live and you have this wireless microphone on, you can do all types of things, jumping jacks, stretches, you know, stuff like that. I know y'all can see me from way back here, but it's cool, man. Like, it's a wireless mic. So if you teach yoga, this is real good. Like, if you teach yoga, and you just do your thing, and people can. But you know, for podcasters, this is also good. I'm going to walk back now. For podcasters, it's real good because some podcasters don't like the mic inside the frame that they're filming. So that's what makes them want to get like a wireless microphone. Me particularly, I kind of like it in the frame. It's kind of professional to me, but some don't. So this microphone will allow you to go live, do your lives, and you won't even have to worry about wires and connecting wires. And it's good for when you like when you're on the go. So if you're in a conference, let's just say it's an echo now because I'm under the here now. But let's just say you're in a conference, right? And instead of carrying around a microphone, you can carry around this. It's a wireless microphone. Stick it right here and just go about your business. Have your recording device on your side with the transmitter, the receiver hooked up to it, and you're good to go. So wireless mics, pretty good, works great. It's just not for people It's just not for people who podcast. It's for people who go live. It's for people who do yoga or some type of fitness instruction. You can put this on your side also. The mic picks up very well. As far as the GoPro, I am using a GoPro camera, and this thing works great. I mean, it does wonders, man. This is better than my webcam. And you know, I go live on Start to Finish Podcasting, and I also go live on my show, Speak Now, Hold Your Peace. And I use a webcam, and it turns out pretty good. The audio, I mean, the video quality of that webcam is pretty good. But the video quality from this camera, which I don't understand why I don't use this one too, the video quality from this camera is super great. It streams in 4K. So if you don't know what 4K is, that's pretty much the highest quality of video that you're going to get from one of these GoPro cameras or webcams. So to put it in a better explanation, if you have cable, you have the basic plan. Let's just say you have the standard plan and you have the professional plan. The basic plan, you get about 30 channels. Let's just say 30 channels for the sake of argument. And for the standard plan, you may get an extra 20 channels. But for the professional plan, you get 100 channels. So 4K is those 100 channels, okay? So that, if you're in comparison, 4K would be the professional plan. The standard plan would be 2K, and the basic plan will be 1080p. You can go to 720p. 720p is what the audio quality that Facebook streams your videos at. So I don't pretty much post my videos directly to Facebook. I put them on YouTube, and then I will put a link in Facebook so people can get the clear quality that this camera does and dishes out. So, you know, Facebook just gives you 720. It kind of compresses your audio, and it doesn't do well. I don't know why Facebook hasn't changed that. As big as they are, they should change that, allow people to stream in at least 1080p. But anyway, this this camera is pretty good. It's a GoPro. I have the GoPro 8. There's the GoPro 5 out. I mean, there's a GoPro 5, the GoPro 6, 7, 8, and 9 is the highest. Now, 7 has a lot of features. So if you're going to get one and you're on a budget, I would go get the 7. It has a lot of features, a lot of things you can do with it. 8 has a lot of features too, but they took away some of the features from the 7, and the 8 doesn't have them. But however, the 8 does have more features in terms of audio streaming and video quality. It's like the 4K. So I like the GoPro 8, and the GoPro 9 pretty much has, it's kind of a mix between the 7 and the 8. So if you're feeling like you want to spend some money, you can get you the GoPro 9. But I like the 8. Excuse me. I got this 8 for Christmas from my beautiful wife, and I wasn't expecting it, but I did want it, and I'm glad I got it. Thank you. But yeah, this GoPro camera, you probably hear a lot about it. It's wonderful. They're waterproof. Long you get a good case, it's waterproof. You can people use this to film underwater. So it does amazing things, and it has a case, so if you drop it, it won't harm the GoPro. It'll just, the damage will go to the case, to hit the floor or whatever. It may not even get damaged. But, so this is, this GoPro is pretty nice. So if you have the GoPro along with the wireless Go microphone, you're doing good. You're doing real good. You straight. Don't have to worry about, anything going wrong or video quality or audio quality. They both dish out some great audio quality. I'm very impressed with it. I'm glad I have this. So once this pandemic ends and we start doing family activities again and everybody gets out, I'm definitely using this GoPro and this wireless mic for my events. I'm going to be going live in stores. I'm going to be going live at barbecues and things like that. I'll even do a couple of podcasts outside. So this thing is good. I mean, I can't complain. I like it. And it does wonders. It's cheap. The wireless Go microphone is $199 plus tax. The GoPro 8, that is, I believe, is about $300 and something. I'm not sure of the exact price, but it's definitely well worth the money. So check it out. Check out Start to Finish Podcasting. Check out Speak Now, Hold Your Peace. I'm doing a lot of things. I'm proud of it. I'm feeling real good about myself, man. I feel blessed, and I just love what I'm doing, and I'm glad I'm, living to do this. I'm appreciative of life. I love you, and I love everybody around me. So thank you for watching. This is Andre, Say What I Feel, and I'm out of here. See you.